Hi, today we're going to be working on 12.2, area of a circle. When we figure out the area of a circle, we use a formula, A equals pi r squared. A equals pi r squared is the same thing as A equals pi times r times r. And if you don't remember, pi equals 3.14, or if we don't have it equal 3.14, then we could use the pi button on our calculator. When I'm talking about the area of a circle, if I had this blue circle right here, I would be figuring out all the space that is blue on this circle. I'm going to actually bring this over with me to the next problem. So when I look at this problem, it says to find the area and to round to the nearest tenth. So like I was saying the other day, we always start off by writing our formula. A equals pi r squared. So A equals pi r squared. Now all I need to do is plug in my r. My r in this problem is 4. So A equals, I could do 3.14, or I could use the pi button on our calculator. So 3.14 times r squared. So if you have a scientific calculator like this, you put it on, and you could do 3.14 times 4 to the power of 2. The squared is right here, x to the power of 2. Or you do the caret, so you would do 3.14 times 4 caret 2. Okay? If you wanted to use the pi button on the calculator, you would press the shift button, and then our pi symbol, if you see it right down here, okay, is right there. So then you would do shift and then the exp. So I have a calculator here. So shift exp times 4 to the power of 2. And then you will get your answer. Since this is not a scientific calculator, and I do want to calculate it with you looking at it, I'm going to do 3.14 times 4 times 4, and then I get my answer. So 50.24. In your calculator, I do believe you will get a 3.14 times 4 times 4. Okay, so if I were to round that to the nearest tenth place, this is the hundredths, so I'm going to go out 1 decimal place. So my answer would be 50.2. My unit of measurement is centimeters, and I need to put squared because I'm referring to area. So the area of the circle is 50.2 centimeters squared. Now here's another circle, except they give you the diameter on this circle. So when they give you the diameter, what is the first thing you need to do? You need to figure out the radius. So if my diameter equals 17, my radius equals 17 divided by 2. So 17 divided by 2 is 8.5. Now I could use my area formula. So area equals pi r squared. Area equals 3.14 times 8.5 squared. So 3.14 times 8.5 times 8.5. So 226.9. My 8 goes up by 1 because my 7 is 5 or greater. So area equals 226.9 feet squared. And that's my final answer.